When you have collected your data, you are faced with a number of choices as to how to display it. It's a bit like being at a roundabout and not being sure which way to go. When do you use a bar chart and when do you draw a line graph? And what's the difference between a histogram and a bar chart? They've both got bars. Use a bar chart when your data is arranged into categories. You'll often be able to use a word to describe the categories. For example, you might be looking at the number of people on Facebook from different countries. The categories would be the countries: England, India, Pakistan, Somalia, Zimbabwe. You can put the categories in any order, and the bars must not touch. However, if your independent variable is not grouped into categories, but is a range of numbers, you should use a histogram. For example, you may have conducted another Facebook survey, but this time looking at the ages of users. You can group the ages into ranges, such as 10 to 19-year-olds, 20 to 29-year-olds, 30 to 39, etc. So in a histogram, the independent variable is in ranges of numbers. The order of the bars matters, and the bars will touch. Use a line graph when you want to show a trend in your data. Both of your variables show numerical number data, but the independent variable has points rather than ranges. For example, if you were looking at how the rate of a chemical reaction changes over time, time is your independent variable and goes on the x-axis. You can draw a straight line through the points, a smooth curve, or just join the points with lines drawn with a ruler. But chemists and physicists hate this. Whatever, the line should not go beyond the first or the last points.